Hey guys, how's it going? It's Ezra Hansen here. So I've got the Victorinox climber here that I recently acquired. That's just absolutely had it. Yes, I'm going to do a bit of a refurb on it. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take the scales off. I'm going to be using the Pioneer. So generally these come off pretty easy. Here we go. Alright, then I'm going to give it a bit of a wash in a bit of warm soapy water. And that's just going to get all the dust and everything out. Already the wash is helping because I couldn't open these before. I'm going to hit this with a bit of oil now. Yeah, I'm just going to use a bit of CRC because it's an anti-corrosive. So yeah, we'll see if we can loosen the tools up a bit. I'm just going to put heaps in there. Alright, so I'm going to leave that there for a while to break up the rust and stuff. Alright, so I've been loosening up the tools a bit. So I can actually open them up now. Just quite an improvement. Yeah, it really helps if you use these aerosol cans here because it blasts all like the dust and everything out. So that's really helpful. Alright, so the next thing is here the secondary blade. It's got a bit of a bend on the tip. So I'm going to take the pliers from the Gerber. I'm just going to very gently bend it back. Really gently. It's testing that Gerber quite a bit. That's quite surprising to me. I thought these pliers were quite good, but they're actually quite they're quite soft in there on the lockup. Might have to get another pair of pliers. Alright, so we'll see how the Victorinox pliers go. See if they can handle a Victorinox. Much better pliers. Haven't got this perfect, but it won't be because it's yeah, it was a second-hand knife. If you want a perfect knife, you buy a brand new knife. So I just bought this as a project. As you can see, the tools are coming out a lot better. In fact, they're actually coming out now. Got the scissors there. Alright, so I'm just going to have a wee tidy up, then we'll put scales on. Alright, so I've got the new set of scales here. So these are pretty easy, you just have to line them up and then you just do a press fit. These ones are quite easy to put on because I took them off another knife. Because I wanted to put new scales on the other knife anyway, so thought I'd use them here for this. once I've got them on, so I'm going to put the tweezer and toothpick in. Helps if you put it on the right side. Then I'm just going to put a lanyard on it. Alright, so the next thing I'm just going to sharpen it up. Alright, so here we go. Sharpened her all up, wheeled her all up. Yeah, so it turned out not too bad. From essentially a piece of junk that I paid about $3 or $4 for, up to something that you can actually use. Alright, we'll see you next time.